In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 best hosting company or provider that you can use to host your website. These hosting companies are proven to be reliable, affordable, have good customer support, and they have a good uptime. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first hosting company on my list right here is Host. This Host, I've used them in the past and they are very reliable. They have a good customer support. All the hosting company I'm going to be talking about in this video have a good customer support and they are reliable and they are affordable as well. Now we're going to be talking about the pricing and the some of the features they offer. They offer almost the same features, but at least we are going to be looking at the pricing so that you can compare the pricing with the features they have. Now, with Host, they have share hosting and they also have cPartner hosting. Now, these two happen to be the same hosting, because if you go to the back end, and this is the one I open first. So you can see that they have Soho plan, they have business plan, they have plan, and they have ultimate plan. Now, if I come to this other one, you can see that it's just the same thing: Soho, business, and ultimate. Now, if you are just starting out and you only want to host one website, I think this is perfect for you, because you can host one website and you can get 30 gig SSD. So this is one vCPU core, and this one has one virtual memory and all that. So same goes with this one, but this one has unlimited. You can host unlimited websites here, but this one has 50 SSD storage instead of 30. And I think this is perfect for you if you have maybe like about 3 websites or 4 websites you want to host. But as time goes on, you might want to upgrade, and because you have more SSD space and all that. Now, this is the first hosting company. I said earlier, they have a good customer support and they're also reliable, and they have a good uptime as well. Alright, so one thing that most of these hosting companies have in common is that the price you are getting it for the first year is different from the price you are going to get it when you want to renew. You can see when you are getting it for the first year, this particular one, you are going to be getting it for 3.18, but when you want to renew, you are going to renew it's like ×2, right? So it's like ×2 of the initial price. So you just want to keep that in mind. If you pay $60 for the first year, meaning that in the next year when you want to renew, you are going to be paying $120. So that is for Host. Now, the second hosting company I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be GoDaddy. Now, I'm sure a lot of you might actually heard about GoDaddy in the past. So they also have a good customer support and they have a good uptime as well. Now we are going to be looking at, most of them, we are going to be looking at the pricing, because we know that they have a good customer support, they are reliable, and they have a good uptime as well. So if you are to compare prices of GoDaddy with now, so they have a web hosting and they also have a VPS hosting. So we are going to check both of these. Now, if you are going with the web hosting, you can expect to pay about £6 per month, right? And for the first year, you are going to be paying about £71.88. But for the second year, when you want to renew, it's like the ×2, just like Host. And with this one, you can host up to 10 websites. With this, you can host just one website. So if you are going for this for the first month, you are going to be paying $47.88. But after the first month, you are going to be renewed at $170.87. Now, if you are going with this web hosting ultimate, for the first year, you are going to be paying about £89.88. But for when you want to renew, you are going to be paying $179.88 as well. So it goes on, and you can see you are going to get a free.com domain 1 year value. Then you are going to get share RAM, you are going to get 50 gig of storage and 25 database, and so on and so forth. That is for the web hosting, and this is for the VPS. This VPS is kind of more expensive. That is because it's virtual private server, so it tends to be more expensive. So you can see that with this plan, they have 2 vCPU / 4 gig RAM. So but with this, you can see that they have about 2 gig RAM and all that. So you can just go ahead and check this. That is for the GoDaddy. The third hosting company I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be DreamHost. And if I come to this hosting, you can see they also have a share hosting and they have a VPS hosting. So if I click on both these, they have WordPress hosting as well. It all depends on what you actually want. So this is for the share hosting. For the share hosting, you can get started for as low as $2.59 per month. But if you want to renew, it's going to be this price. So you want to keep that in mind. And they also have another one right here. So with this one, you can actually get one website, free domain included, unlimited traffic to your website, and WordPress installer, free, and so on and so forth. I don't want to bore you, and so on and so forth. So you can see from here, this other one, you can get started with $3.95 per month. Then if you come here, you can see that to renew it's going to be like $10.99 per month when you want to renew it. And with this, you can host unlimited websites. This is for the share hosting. Now if you come to this VPS hosting, which is this, you can see that it's kind of more expensive right here. So you can check from here, you can pay $10 per month. Then when you want to renew, it's going to be $12.99 per month. So this price is when you want to go for 3 years, as you can see up here. But if you want to go for yearly, you can see that the price is going to be actually changed. You are going to be paying $13.75 per month. Then after that, you are going to renew at $15.99. Same thing goes with this, right? So this is 3 years. But if you want to go yearly, you can expect to, almost the same price. So $2.95 per month. Then if you want to renew, it's going to be $6.99. Then same thing goes with this one. You are going to renew at $12.99. So that is about DreamHost. Now the fourth hosting company I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to be HostPresto. So with this hosting company, if I come to this hosting and I come to web hosting right here, then you can, if I scroll down here, you can see that for this particular hosting, you can actually pay $3 per month with this. And you can use this to host one website. Meanwhile, you can pay £6, that is 6 GBP per month right here. And you can host 10 websites and you can pay £10 per month right here. And you can host unlimited websites. This is when you are going with monthly. So if I change it to annually, you can actually see that it's going to be 2 months free. You can pay £30 per year right here, £60 per year right here. You can pay £100 per year right here. So that is everything we're going to talk about HostPresto. Now the fifth hosting company, which is the last hosting company I'm going to be talking about in this video, is going to be WordPress. Now this is the hosting company I'm currently using right now, and they have the WordPress hosting, they have share hosting, and they have cloud web hosting. So these two hosting are actually the same, but I don't know why they give it a different name. So they also have a VPS hosting. They have Windows VPS, they have Windows VPS and all that. So now we're going to open this, and also this VPS hosting, and find out how much it costs. Now you can see that you can get up to 90% off when you want to use this. Now if you want to go for 1 month, you can actually get it for $0.59 per month when you are going for 1 month. But when you want to renew, you are going to be paying about $5.90 per month. Now same goes with this one. You are going to be getting it for $0.99 per month, but when you want to renew, you are going to be paying $9.90 per month. Now if you are going with 12 months, you are going to be paying $2.99 per month. And when you want to renew, this is the price that you are going to renew it. So you can use this to host one website, and you can get like 30 gig of storage SSD. You are going to get free domain registration / transfer, and so on and so forth. If you have multiple websites that you want to host under one hosting, you can actually go with this silver, which is what I'm currently using right now. So with this, you can actually go get it for about $5 per month, and you can use it to host up to 100 websites. You can get up to 50 gig of SSD, and so on and so forth. So when you want to renew this, you are going to renew it at $10. When you want to renew this, you are going to renew this at $15. When you want to renew this, you are going to renew it as $6. So at the end of the day, if you pay $60 here and you want to renew it next year, that means you are going to be paying $120 by the time you want to renew it. Now, this is for the share hosting. When we come to the cloud hosting, we find out that it's actually the same. So if I come to here, you can see it's, we are getting the same thing we are getting from there. So now when we come to the VPS hosting, if you scroll down, you can see that they have Linux servers and so on and so forth. So you can just stroll around with this and walk around with this. So from here, you should be able to choose the hosting company that will fit your need perfectly, and the plan that we also, if you have a multiple website, obviously you don't want to go ahead and select this, because this can only host one website. But if you have multiple websites, you can actually go with this. So that is everything we're going to cover in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find this video valuable. If you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that more people like you can get to see this video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video just like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified.